this video, what we're going to do is navigate to where you can locate your um, documents or anything that you have created inside of your Canva account in your 360 account. So at this point, you should have been able to connect your Canva account. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to media storage, that's here on the menu on the left. And then our account should be connected at this point. You'll know that because your account name will be listed here at the top. We want to go to this section here on the left, right up under the word it says media storage. It should default to my media. We're going to click on the drop down right here for it, and then we're going to scroll down, and then we're going to see the icon for Canva. We're going to click that. So here, once you click that, you'll see that you have all of your items here or files that you have created inside of your Canva account. They'll be listed right here for you to be able to see.